In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if function to answer yes or no using criterion in Excel. Start by opening your Excel file and going to the Statement tab. This is the sheet where the example data is already set up. On this tab, you'll see three columns: names, grade, and past. The goal here is to use the if function in the past column so Excel can automatically tell us whether each student passed based on their grade. The idea behind the if function is simple. It checks whether a condition is true or false, and then returns one result if the condition is true and a different result if it's false. In this example, we want Excel to check the grade and return yes if the student passed or no if the student did not. Click into cell C2, which is the first cell under the past column. This is where we'll enter the formula. Begin by typing equals IF, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the data reference you want Excel to evaluate. In this case, we're checking the value in cell B2 because that cell contains the student's grade. Next, add the operator. For this example, use the greater than operator. This tells Excel that we want to check whether the grade is higher than a certain number. After the operator, type the value 70. This creates the full condition, which means Excel is now checking whether the grade in B2 is greater than 70. If it is, that student will be considered to have passed. Now type a comma and then enter yes in quotation marks. This tells Excel what to display if the condition is true. In other words, if the grade is greater than 70, the result in the past column will show yes. Then type another comma and enter no in quotation marks. This is the result Excel should return if the condition is not met. So if the grade is not greater than 70, the cell will display no. Then close the parenthesis to complete the formula. Once the formula is complete, press enter. You should now see the result for the first student. To apply the same formula to the rest of the list, drag the formula down through the remaining cells in column C. Excel will automatically adjust the row references for each student, making it a fast and efficient way to evaluate the entire column. That's how you use the if function in Excel to return a simple yes or no based on a criterion. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.